What's happening, guys? Bring you guys another box break, and it's actually going to be my fourth try at Topps 2010 Triple Threads. So here I go. I get something good. My first booklet, my first 101. This product would probably give me all of those. So let's hope. Pyramid packs. Pack number 1. Take the top one. Let's take a peek. Not a booklet. So alright, Chris Johnson, Joe Flacco, Ronnie Brown, Rashard Mendenhall, Steve Smith, and Steve Smith. Another Steve Smith, back to back. Number 13 of 18. It's 80.3 receptions yards per game. That's pretty cool. Steve Smith, number 13 of 18. Sweet. So here's the auto. Let's hope it's one of those crazy triples, white whale, something. Oh. Alright. Bring that to the front. Okay, Emmitt Smith, Reggie Bush, Noshawn Moreno, Ray Rice, Joseph Adai. Wow, nothing but running backs. Jeez. And Jordan Shipley, numbered 45 of 99. So kind of a weak box, but whatever, I guess. I got his jumbo from Absolute Memorabilia, so can't win them all, right? So Jordan Shipley and Steve Smith are my two hits. Cool. If you guys are interested, let me know. Hit me up. Please subscribe. Laters.